It's Josh Sadvari. I'm the Geospatial Information Librarian with the University Libraries at Ohio State. And I joined the libraries at Ohio State in 2014, the summer of 2014. And one of the first groups that I was introduced to and became a partner with was CURA. We started working together later that summer to plan our first GIS Day event in November of 2014, and now 6.5 years later, we're still going strong with the annual GIS Day events. We've worked together on them every year. It's a great opportunity for us to partner, but also for us to promote and advocate for the usefulness of geography and geographic information systems across the Ohio State campus community. And we also get a lot of interest from people in the wider Columbus community. So it's been a great event to understand what's going on in terms of GIS at Ohio State and in Central Ohio. So from that initial partnership, I worked with CURA on a number of other training sessions at Ohio State, developing workshops, developing online learning resources that are available to faculty and staff and graduate students at Ohio State who are curious about how they might use GIS in their own work. So it's been an opportunity for us to really, again, promote just the usefulness of these methods and technologies across disciplines at the university that might not be traditionally thought of as disciplines that would be making use of GIS. So it's a great way for us to partner, increase interest in use of these technologies to support research and teaching in areas where a geographic perspective could be beneficial. And in my opinion, that's pretty much any area of research and teaching. So I've really enjoyed working with the folks at CURA over the years. It's been fun to partner with that organization, and many of the things I've done have been better because of the partnership that I've developed with one or more of the people at CURA to undertake those endeavors. So I've enjoyed working with CURA. I hope to continue working with CURA, and I just wanted to say happy 20th anniversary, and here's to going strong for 20 more.